Subscribe and press the bell icon to enjoy more exciting and enlightening videos from there.
Hello everyone in the Masterpieces series and welcome Vivek sir. Thank you for joining us today for Masterpiece series. So, and how are you doing today?
Yeah, good, very good. Market is good, so everything is good.
Right. So, sir, now you are a part of DIA as a career mentor. Can you walk us through your career journey?
It's been a lot of tipsy topsy turvs for me, but yeah, it's been a good journey. I started off in 2000. And at that time I was bitten by the entrepreneurial bug, so it's been there since long. I started off with the financial services, but due to some lack of knowledge and experience, it did not work. It doesn't work in all the sectors. In some sectors, you need some knowledge. So then I took up a job with ICICI Bank. I moved from organization to organization, learning the tricks of the trade, learning how things work in the financial services industry. And I met few of the stalwarts of the financial services industry. Also, learning a lot and understanding how any financial services helps a person reach his financial goals uh, through various means. As the more products you understand, the more products you know, the better it is for you, and you'll be able to help the client in a better way. In 2010, then again thought that let me just restart my entrepreneurial journey. As I finished my CFP, I cleared CFP then, and that's where things just took off. I have been in sales all my life, and that also helped me a lot. Uh, with I learned banking in ICICI Bank, so that also helped me a lot. Any experience was really good for me to help my clients understand them and give them that extra requirement that they needed. Maybe I'm sitting with the clients at a client's place, and some banker is also sitting and he's trying to explain, and my client is not able to understand. Then at that time, I give him that basic understandings of what is he trying to say. So that actually helped me a lot. But yeah, in the last 6 8 months, a year and a half, things have not been going so good for me, but it's just okay. So suddenly I saw Dhea coming in as the career mentor, and I thought, let me just give it a try, because I have been doing a lot of mentoring as such, per se, financial mentoring. So why can't I look into a career mentoring? And if I can merge the two, mentor
Mm-hmm.
the child also and mentor the client also, it will be a much better win-win situation for both of us. So that's my complete journey.
As you mentioned, you became a part of DIA as a mentor. So, sir, what inspired you to become a mentor? Like, I mean, what gave you that inspiration that you are going to change because you are going to change a student's life, a kid's life. So, what inspired you to become a career mentor?
Even I have kids, so it's very important. And understanding comes through when you talk with children. And I have been talking with my children every day, day out, the last 5 6 years since they have been growing up. Currently, my elder one is in 10th standard, so he's giving his 10 boards. My younger one is still in 8th standard, so it will take some time for him to come up to that level. He's still very small, but my elder one is very clear in what he wants and where he wants to go. But this I am not finding with everybody. My younger colleagues, or maybe younger relatives, they are not finding themselves at the right place. Some people, they have to choose something because they don't have a choice. That's different. But there are some people who can choose their life the way they want to live, but because of some pressure, or maybe family or something, some or the other, looking at friends that they are doing this. So even I see many students do that also. Many children do that. They say, oh, my friend is doing this, so even I should do that. No, that's not the point. Friends is important, but more important is how you take your career ahead. Friends you'll make more and more friends over a period of time. My school friends were there, they're still there, but they're not there in my career. my college friends were there, they're not there in my career. Even my colleagues who were there, they've become friends, but they're still not there in my career. My career is something which I appreciate. So that's something which I felt there's a lot of gap in the market. And as in when I used to meet clients, people, of course, most of them used to say, "Nee, my son will do this, my daughter will do that." What you can't put your failures on the head of your children, on the shoulders of your children.
Absolutely correct.
That should not be the point. Let them do what they want to do because they'll do better. Because Albert Einstein always said each and every child is different. You cannot judge a fish climbing a tree because ultimately he'll live his entire life thinking that he's foolish. So you should not judge a child depending upon what you think he should do. He it should always happen that what he wants to do, that should be his ultimate goal. That is important. You should always be there as a, standing behind him, that yes, I'm there to help you out. You should not force an entry into something. There are certain people who don't have choices still in the country. That's different, but this is totally different. So this is I would say at least 30 to 40% of our community or rather in India, people, they are in this category in which I'm telling you that they force their children to do something. So that's how I that was looking out for something different, and a lot of financial services. Now, something which I can merge with my financial services, that will be much better for the future, for me also and for my clients also. So that is something which I found in Dhea. So that's the reason I took up Dhea.
How do you see Dheya is going to change the perspective towards or career mentoring?
I think Dhea is doing a brilliant job, and maybe in future, even I would like to contribute as much as I can. And I've been not been able to do so till now. But yes, in future I would love to do that.
Message you want to convey to those parents that to help them build their child's career?
The only message I can say is that you should not compare your child to yourself. What the situations what were there in your time is not prevalent today. See, even I compare myself. I did my graduation in 90s. At that time, of course, the number of field that was available to us was limited. But today, things have graduated. When I see my child doing what he's doing in 10th standard or 8th standard is much more advanced and better than what we did when I was in 10th standard. So that comparison is there. I compare myself that no, my child is doing much better than what he's studying is doing much better. We didn't have so much of extracurricular activities. We didn't have so much of exposure to sports or maybe any other activity which my child has. And why not? That's building his it's building his self confidence, his his personality development. Everything is happening. See, learning something is very good. Whether I learn one language, whether I learn 10 languages, whether I learn one martial arts, or whether I learn 10 types of different martial arts, or whether I learn a music, or whether I learn dancing, anything is very good. So that is something which helps in the overall development of the child. So you should not focus on what he should do completely in life. That is there, of course. That is one part. That is something which I feel that the parents should look at. But in a way that he or she is able to live his life the way he wants, rather than living a life the way you want.
Thank you so much for being part of Masterpieces video. We really love that you are part of Dheya as a mentor. So thank you so much, sir.